It is Melch here. Welcome back to another video. Now, we're not talking about business, how to make 10K in 30 days. We're not talking about websites today. We're talking about just some real shit. It's been a while since I sat down and spoke my mind, spoke the truth, let Jesus take over, let God take over, and just speak to all the young men and all the people watching this video. Just to really inspire and help a lot of y'all guys out because I was once in your position. I was once in your shoes. I'm 22 years old now. I'm literally in Colombia in a high rise, living my dream fucking life. And it's just like, why me? Why am I successful? Why am I here today? Right? And I'm showing you guys how to make money. I'm showing you guys how to start businesses. But that doesn't matter if you don't believe in yourself. And it's okay. I've been in that position. You might be thinking, Diego, okay, the business model, it looks like a solid business model. I think it looks right. It looks good, right? But like, I don't know anybody. I have no network. I have no connections. I don't have an investor. I don't have any friends. I'm alone. I'm a loser. I can't talk to people. I have no sales skills. How can I be successful? Can I be successful? Is it possible? I was in your same exact position. No skills, credit card debt, gooner, watching fucking jacking off all day, watching Fortnite all day, Call of Duty all day, loser, no motion. Yeah, my God. I was in college as well, working multiple jobs. Guys, the only reason why I'm here today, the only reason why I'm different than you is because first of all, I try to make money I've been trying to make money online since I was 16, 17 years old, right? Was I successful? No. Why do you think it took me from 16 to 17 until finally turning 22 to finally live this fucking life? It took years of me never giving up. Because guess what? I was that kid with no sales skills. I was that kid with no business connections. I was that kid with starting from zero. I was that kid with how to make 10K per month, looking it up on YouTube. I was that kid who was addicted to pills. I was that kid who was smoking weed. I was that kid who was getting kicked out. I was fucked up, right? And I'm still here today, clear-minded, sober, closer to God. Love my mom. I have a really good, amazing friend. Like, it's just crazy how my life has 100% changed. I'm making money online. I have a business that's printing right now. Multiple businesses that are printing. Thank you, God. Like, it's crazy that I can say this. That I was tripping. I couldn't even figure out how the fuck am I going to have one business that makes me 10K a month. Now I have fucking multiple, right? And all because I never gave up, right? I was in your same exact position. Look on my YouTube channel. The proof is there. Look at my oldest fucking videos. I always knew I was going to make content. I always knew I was going to be famous. I always knew I was going to be rich, right? Even when there was no results. Even when I've lost my whole bank account. Guys, I used to be a day trader, blow my bank account. Work my job, blow my bank account. Work my job, blow my bank account. Why did I never give up, though? Why? I don't understand. I just kept going. I just kept persisting because I knew I was not going to live an average life. I knew I was not going to work a 9 to 5. I knew going to college wasn't for me. I knew going with the crowd wasn't for me. Now I know why. I was such a loner throughout my entire life. I understand it. I get it now. I get it. I understand why I had to get my heart broken. Why I had to be addicted. Why I had to go down certain paths to learn certain lessons. And now I'm here today. 22 years old, traveling the world. I'm in Colombia right now, like I said. I was in Thailand earlier this year, California, Houston, Chicago, Indiana. It's just crazy. From being broke as shit, January of 2025, to now it's about to be New Year's 2026. And it's crazy. It's just because I never fucking gave up, okay? If you're sitting here and you want to be successful, you want to live that life, you want to have financial freedom, location freedom, you want your parents to be proud of you, you just need to accept the fact that I'm going to learn the skill. I'm going to learn how to make money online. I'm going to start my first online business. I'm going to take action. And even if I do fail, because guess what? You may fail your first time. But that's what you have to do. You need to fail. You fail, but you learn from your mistake and you become better. And you fail and then you get better. And then every time you get better, like it's just another better and another better. And it's more money and there's more connections and it's more business and it's more deals, right? But you have to fail first, right? You have to try first. You have to. The only reason why I'm here today is because I failed. I have failed more times than you have even tried. Let that sink in. I have lost more money and failed at businesses and missed deals, and I lost deals and I couldn't close a sale, and I lost my whole bank account trading, and I was trying to do drop shipping, TikTok shop, reselling, trying to do so many different things for years and years and years. until I found the business model that worked for me. But the only, like, I can't just give you a business model and you be successful. It's just not going to work like that. You need to have the mindset. You need to have the drive. You need to know that it's going to be hard, but it's okay. Because I'd rather do this and be uncomfortable and learn a new skill and learn a new business than do what I'm doing right now. What is worse? Learning a new skill, being uncomfortable, closing deals, making money online, or what hurts more? Working your 9 to 5 your whole life, disappointing your family, not being anything significant, never being able to travel at a young age. You want to travel at 60 when you're retired? Okay, cool. Have fun. But there's 20-year-olds literally traveling the world, living the fucking dream life because they decided to stop bullshitting. They decided to take action. They decided to hold themselves accountable. Say, God, it's going to be a rough journey. It's going to be a hard journey, God. Please guide me. I'm going to put my faith into you, Jesus Christ. For me, my God is Jesus Christ. And that's how I've never failed. And that's how I'm here today. So, guys, coming into 2026, you might be thinking, okay, what skills do I need to learn? I saw how AI just wiped out so many jobs in 2025. AI took over the industry. So, Jill, what skills do I need to learn in order to become irreplaceable? Well, you need to learn sales, you need to learn marketing, and you need to learn how to use social media. You need to learn how to use AI with all three of those things I just told you. Guys, businesses are still printing. I'm in Colombia. There's businesses everywhere. Businesses online, businesses in the city, businesses in your city, businesses across the fucking states, businesses across the world. They're still printing. They're still making money, right? How are they making money? Because they get customers. How are they getting customers? Because of marketing, right? Marketing. People still need marketing. In 2026, your favorite business, your favorite clothing brand, your favorite shop, they don't want to go out of business. They want to keep doing their thing. But in order to keep doing their thing, they need to invest into marketing. Who are they going to invest into marketing with? An agency, right? That's where you would come in. That's where I came in. That's what I've been doing all year long. Scaling these businesses, building them a website, building them automations, doing their Facebook ads, doing their Instagram ads. It's crazy. That's what I believe is a good way to make money online. You don't need a lot of money to start off with, right? A couple thousand in the bank or even 500 in the bank is enough to start. You just need to have a laptop. You need to have a good attention span. Don't be a brain-rotted TikTok scroller. And just sit down and watch videos. I have videos on my fucking channel that explain exactly what I do. And there's thousands of other YouTubers that do the exact same thing. So why haven't you done anything? Like, what more proof do you need? What more proof do you need? Look at my Instagram. Look at all the student success. Right? Look at other people who teach business. There's people making money online. And there's people that just don't believe it's true. I'm Hispanic. My family, the whole time of me trying to make money online, my Hispanic and Mexican mom, Diego, no, don't make money. Like, it's a scam. It's not going to work. Go to school, Diego. Please go to college. Diego, please get a job. Please be secure. No, you can't have that way of thinking. That is the old way of thinking. My mom, she's great. She's amazing. And so is my dad. They make maybe like $100K a year, which is great, right? They earn that. They both have master's degree, sacrificed everything, and raised me, right? Amazing parents. I love them, but I would not want to be like them. I would not want to end up like them. I do not want to live like them. So why would I listen to them? My mom isn't making $50K a month. My mom isn't making $100K a month. Why would I listen to her? There's people making 6 figures a month. And I'm not saying that you're going to make 6 figures your first year in business, 6 figures a month your first year in business. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, if people can make $100K a month, why can't you make $10K a month online? Why can't you make $5K a month online? Why can't you make $15K a month? You can do it, bro. You can get your slice of the fucking pie. Holy shit. Well, 2026 is coming up with the rap guys. I'm not stopping with what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm still working with businesses. I had to start my agency over from scratch. For those who do not know, I had a business partner throughout the whole year. I just parted ways with him last month in November. And December, I've already closed by myself, working by myself, so I can get to keep all the profit. I already closed like 3 website deals, right? Just since November. I'm sorry, just the end of November. Basically, from December 1st, I've already closed 3 website deals, right? Just by myself. I'm gonna keep doing this all year long. I'm gonna close website deals, do ads, do marketing, whatever they need. But I'm not stopping, guys. If you want to be a part of this journey, there's a link below. You can learn exactly how I was able to scale my website business, make over 10K per month. You can click the first link if you want to learn more. If not, guys, like, I'm going to keep doing what I do, right? And there's people that are going to be on the sidelines, salty as fuck, working their job, going to school. No, it's a scam. No, I don't want to hear it. It's a scam. It's not possible. I can't do it. No. He's a scammer. No one's buying websites. No one's doing marketing. No one's doing AI. I'm just going to work my job. It's not possible. You can be that person, or you can drop your ego, stop being arrogant, and say, okay, my life has been shit. I'm not happy with my life. I've done nothing significant in my life. My parents, I love my parents, but they're not rich either. I don't know anybody that's rich. My families, my friends, they're not rich, but I've been listening to them my whole life. Oh, maybe that's why I'm in my same position, because I'm listening to people that are broke. I'm listening to people that aren't successful. I'm listening to people who aren't where I want to be. You know, I talk to young men and young entrepreneurs and wannabe entrepreneurs and aspiring entrepreneurs. Yeah, you know, they tell me all the time, I want to be financially free. I want to be location free. And when I tell them what to do to be successful, as someone who's financially free, as someone who is location freedom, as I'm telling them the blueprint, you know what, yeah, let me think about it. Let me just go back to listening to my parents. Let me go back to listening to my friends from school. Yeah, whatever. Let me just get back on the video games. Okay, you know, another night. Let me go get a beer at the bar. You can't save everybody. That's fine. I'm not desperate for anybody to switch and change their life. I'm going to keep printing more clients for me. That's fine, brother. Stay on the sideline. That's cool. But Jesus, God, myself, money is energy. Money is abundant. Money is going to flow to you if you let it. And I used to have that problem. I used to have the problem of, I don't want to spend that money, or I don't want to try this. I'm scared. I don't want to take that jump. I don't want to go take that flight. I'm scared. Guys, like, I'm so glad I had good people around me that are like, Diego, quit being a bitch. Let's fucking do this. Quit being a bitch. Let's fucking do this. If no one ever told me that, I would have been in the same position. I would have been in a server restaurant still, going to community college, being a fucking loser. Well, it was good talking to you guys. Good catching up. Just wanted to vent. Just wanted to rant. Got my black tea. I have a beautiful crib right now. I'm about to just enjoy it and have a group call with the guys as well. A group call with the members. So take what you want from this, right? 2026 is full of opportunity. If you think your 2025 was horrible, 2025 you made no progress. As someone who made progress in 2025 and was able to be successful this year, guys, I'm extremely bullish on 2026. I'm extremely excited for 2026. There's going to be so much more opportunity, not only for me, and I'm going to make even more money than ever, for everybody. There's money everywhere, guys. Truly fucking possible. You just need to take action. It's possible, brother. It's possible. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of my daily life, Coach Melcher. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.